Let's do the unboxing for this GreenPan Electric Multi-Grill. It's a 6-in-1 unit, a grill and griddle. It came nicely packed with styrofoam. To remove the cooking plates, just press this button on the side to release them. Each plate measures 12.5 inches by 8.5 inches. This is a very compact unit. It only measures 13.5 inches from side to side and front to back, and the extension cord is 35 inches long. So before you start cooking, make sure you clean your surface. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made breakfast for the first time. This was shot a month ago. It has 3 functions. You can use both grills, and the highest temperature is 450. I'm gonna use the start button to preheat my grill. You also have the option to choose the upper grill, which the highest temperature is 430 and it goes as low as 175. Or you can choose to use just the lower grill. The temperature is between 175 and 430. So my grill is done preheating. I'll be setting my timer for 8 minutes, and I'm gonna open my lid so I can use both surfaces at the same time. On one side, I'll be cooking sausage and bacon. And on the other side, I'll be making eggs. The plate is non-stick, but I'm using butter just because it's egg. And I should have flipped the plate over on the griddle side, but it still worked out perfect. So most of the oil drained in the pan, and I'm just using a piece of paper towel to clean the excess oil before I add my butter, and I'm going to be toasting my bagels. And for this part, I'm only using the lower grill because I want my inside of my bagel to be crispy, and on the outside I want it nice and fluffy. And look at that steam coming out. See how nice and soft that is? And on the bottom side, it's nice and golden. The plates are easy to clean. Just wait until they're cool. I always wait until I'm done eating, and then I wash them in the sink. You can put them in the dishwasher, but it's just easy to wash in the sink. And it's also easy to remove the oil tray and clean it. So as I said, it's been a month since I've been using this grill, and I've been using it quite a bit. I use it for chicken breasts, and these are 2 huge chicken breasts that I have on there. They taste so good, nice and juicy. I just love how compact it is. It fits perfectly on my small countertop, so it's perfect for my small kitchen, and the food tastes great.